More use of technology in the justice system will be the way forward, so says Justice Minister Delroy Chuck. He pointed out that the pandemic presented an opportunity for the courts to adjust operations to meet the demands of the public.
This saw the introduction of electronic filing at the Court of Appeal and Supreme Court, which meant, Madam Speaker, that attorneys and litigants could file documents with the respective registries, even with extended lockdowns and periods when the courts could only offer reduced services. The Judicial Case Management System, JCMS, which is currently in pilot in selected courts, has assisted in this effort as documents filed electronically were uploaded to the JCMS to allow for ease of access to the records and facilitate the progression of the cases in a timely manner.
Minister Chuck says the shift to virtual hearings has proved a positive move with attorneys who underscored the ease and cost savings from making their presentations from their homes or offices. Minister Chuck says further expansion of equipment in courtrooms will be done this year.
Equipment to facilitate virtual hearings is available in most courtrooms at the Supreme Court, and the technology is now being replicated in other courtrooms across the island. I expect, Madam Speaker, by the end of this fiscal year, each parish court should be able to conduct virtual hearings. In addition to this, Madam Speaker, we expect that the backlog in cases should be significantly reduced, even though we recognize that there's a constraint in terms of transcript being available, and we are working assiduously on that, Madam Speaker, and that the issue of transcript will shortly be dealt with effectively so that in the Court of Appeal, within the next few months, the transcript will become available.
He gave an update on the length of time for judgment to be delivered. They
had judgments delivered for 268 cases over the period April 2021 to March 2022. 268 judgments, cases. The judgment delivery rate, Madam Speaker, was 172%. Since 2018, there have been 163 judgments delivered for every 100 judgments reserved, producing a judgments clearance rate of 163%. What I can say, Madam Speaker, is that we have been able not only to outfit the Court of Appeal fully, but because they now have offices, all 12 plus the President, we are now able to appoint all 13 judges.
He noted non-trial matters such as probate, chambers matters, including hearings before the master in chambers and divorces, has seen a significant reduction in the time to process and complete. Minister Chuck says some lawyers are also the reason why some divorces take so long to complete.
So, Madam Speaker, in divorce cases, the average time to have a divorce done has been reduced significantly to 20 months. So, Madam Speaker, many divorces during the past year have been completed within 16 weeks. Many divorces. But the average time, because some extend, have been is 20 months. Now this, Madam Speaker, is a significant reduction to the 3 years and more in the past. But the reason, Madam Speaker, and lawyers should be aware of this, why it continues beyond the 6 weeks, which is possible, is that there's so many requisitions. The attorneys, especially the younger ones, have not properly provided the material necessary to complete the probate and the divorces. So you find, Madam Speaker, that a lot of requisitions take place. So if the divorce or the probate document is properly completed, it can be dealt with within 3 months.